Hi, we're at SL Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just outside of Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at a 7x18 aluminum trailer. At the front we have a 1,500-pound jack with an 8-inch wheel, as well as your breakaway cable, chains, and breakaway box. This is a straight deck aluminum trailer. There are stone guard fenders. There is a tire mount on your driver's side at the rear. This trailer is a straight deck and comes with a 36-inch loading ramp that's secured with the latch system. This trailer does have LED brake lights, as well as 6-ply 14-inch tires and rims. This trailer is made in aluminum extrusions. Once again, this is a 7x18 straight deck aluminum utility trailer. If you are interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.